Frascati is an Italian white wine, an Italian white vino, an Italian vino bianco, named after the town of Frascati. Yes, of course, and the town of Frascati is located 25 kilometers southeast of Rome, the capital of Italy, so say around 15 miles outside of Rome in the Lazio region of Italy. Frascati. How do you go about pronouncing Frascati? I must mention that Frascati used to be one of the preferred wines of ancient Rome because of its location just outside of Rome. Frascati. So you just have to say Frascati. If you cannot pronounce the Italian ha, just say Frascati. But you do want to emphasize on the a. Frascati. On the ka syllable. Frascati, Frascati. Frascati is a DOC appellation that allows for a minimum of 70% of Malvasia white grape, so Malvasia bianca, and some Malvasia del Lazio, as well as 30% maximum of Trebbiano and or Greco grapes. So typical Italian white wine, classic Italian white wine, the white wines of Frascati, il vino bianco di Frascati. Frascati, one you should definitely try if you ever end up hanging around the city of Rome, such a classic Italian white wine. The white wines of Frascati, Frascati. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, in the wonderful world of vino. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.